Today we're going to install the Brisk Chrome extension. Keep in mind that you can add the Brisk extension to Microsoft Edge also. Today we're just going to focus on how you can add it to Google Chrome. For those of you who might be new to Brisk Teaching, I do want to share why Brisk Teaching is the ultimate AI tool for schools and districts. Remember, you can install Brisk to both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. From there, you can open up any YouTube video, Google Doc, Microsoft Word doc, any online content, PDFs. You can even upload student written work. And you can use Brisk to provide feedback, create quizzes, create presentations, and so much more. Really, there are so many possibilities. The best part is that Brisk really works where you do. There's no need to copy and paste to another platform. You might be wondering about safety and security. Well, at Brisk, we have your back. With a 93% common sense privacy rating and, of course, many other certifications, we really have safety and security covered. Additionally, Brisk is COPPA and FERPA compliant, and it also complies with GDPR. It is time to add Brisk to Chrome, so I'm going to go right up to the home page within Brisk Teaching, and I'm going to click the button that says Add to Chrome for free. Once I click this button, you're going to see another page opens, and I'm just now going to click Add to Chrome. You're also going to see this pop up, but this is standard for any time you add any kind of extension. Remember, Brisk is safe and secure, and ultimately you're just providing permission for Brisk to work with the content that you're asking it to work with. I'm going to click Add Extension. Now you'll see the extension up above, but I still have a couple of extra steps. I'm going to click my box, and I'm just going to click Continue with Google. From here, I'm going to click my account. And now if we come up to extensions, you're going to see there's my Brisk Teaching. Now all I have to do is click on it and you'll see the Brisk Bee appear on my screen. I highly recommend pinning Brisk to your toolbar. We're going to do that by going up to our extension and now we'll see the pin option and I'm just going to click pin and now it will appear. So it's just easily accessible. Now you'll see here that if I click on Brisk, it'll open right up and Brisk will work over top of anything I have. So again, anything you open up on your screen, you can choose to open Brisk and have it work with the content that you're requesting it to. You can even upload those photos. You'll see that here as well. I love that feature. And again, we can just click create and notice not only can you create anything, but you have all of these different options here that you can utilize from Brisk Teaching. We're excited for you to get started. If you have questions, feel free to share down below in this video.